The Lamborghini lineup has always been defined by aggression, beauty, and speed. But with the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario, the Italian automaker is redefining the very DNA of its baby bull. This all-new supercar, the official successor to the Huracán, is not just faster, sharper, and smarter. It's the dawn of a new Lamborghini era, one where electrification meets raw mechanical soul. At first glance, the Temerario looks like a wild concept brought to life. The proportions are unmistakably Lamborghini, low, wide, and absolutely menacing. The front fascia features razor-sharp lines, Y-shaped LED DRLs inspired by the Revuelto, and a redesigned splitter that slices through the air like a blade. Every angle, every crease has been engineered for aerodynamic precision. The sculpted hood flows seamlessly into aggressive side intakes, channeling air directly to its hybrid powertrain. From the rear, the Temerario is pure artwork. Twin exhausts mounted high, a massive active rear diffuser, and those signature Lamborghini hexagonal taillights glowing like embers in the dark. A full-width light bar runs across the tailgate, giving it a futuristic presence that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. The retractable spoiler adjusts automatically depending on speed and drive mode, enhancing stability while keeping drag minimal. Step inside, and the Temerario's interior is a blend of fighter jet and luxury lounge. The driver's seat is cocooned in carbon fiber and wrapped in fine Alcantara. Lamborghini's signature red start-stop button still sits beneath the flip-up missile-style cover, a tradition no fan would ever want to lose. The steering wheel is compact and squared off, packed with digital toggles and mode selectors. In front of the driver, a full-width curved digital display stretches across the dash, merging the instrument cluster with infotainment. The graphics are sharp, futuristic, and customizable. Lamborghini's new LDVI 2.0 system learns the driver's habits, adjusting suspension, throttle response, and even torque distribution in real time. There's also wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, but let's be honest, nobody buys a Lamborghini for its phone connectivity. Underneath that sculpted skin lies what truly makes the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario special: a new twin-turbo V8 hybrid engine. Yes, Lamborghini is saying goodbye to the naturally aspirated V10, but don't be disappointed, because this powertrain is on another level. The 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, combined with 3 electric motors, delivers a combined output of around 900 horsepower. Power is sent to all 4 wheels through a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Lamborghini claims a 0-100 km/h time of just 2.7 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 340 km/h. But what makes it fascinating is how it balances old-school aggression with next-gen hybrid finesse. The electric motors can operate independently, meaning the Temerario can drive quietly in full EV mode for short distances, perfect for city cruising, before unleashing its full fury on open roads or racetracks. The chassis is built on a completely new carbon fiber and aluminum structure. It's stiffer, lighter, and more efficient than anything Lamborghini has ever produced in this segment. Adaptive magnetic suspension, rear-wheel steering, and torque vectoring make the Temerario corner like a scalpel, precise and immediate. And yet, despite the raw performance, comfort hasn't been ignored. The seats are surprisingly supportive for long drives, and the suspension in Strada mode absorbs road imperfections with grace. Lamborghini has also paid attention to sustainability without compromising identity. Many interior elements are made from recycled carbon composites and sustainable leathers, showing that performance and responsibility can indeed coexist. From a design perspective, the Temerario carries Lamborghini's trademark drama. The scissor doors remain exclusive to the flagship models, but the standard doors open wide, revealing the low, cockpit-like seating position. The cabin lighting glows softly in configurable colors matching your selected drive mode. Cool blues in Strada, fierce reds in Corsa. On the road, the Temerario feels alive. Every gear shift, every throttle blip, every sound from its hybrid system connects you to the machine. The electric torque fills the gaps between turbo spool, giving you instant power delivery that feels both natural and explosive. Lamborghini calls it emotion with precision, and that phrase couldn't be more accurate. Pricing for the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is expected to start around $350,000, but as with all Lamborghinis, that's just the beginning. Customizations through the Ad Personam program can easily push that figure beyond $500,000. From unique paints and custom interiors to personalized badges and performance options, each Temerario will be a one-of-a-kind creation. The car also marks a significant step for Lamborghini's future. It's part of the brand's commitment to electrify its lineup by the end of this decade, but without losing the heart and soul that define every Lambo. The hybrid system, instead of dulling the experience, amplifies it, turning the Temerario into a modern-day masterpiece that bridges tradition and technology. Visually stunning, brutally fast, and unmistakably Lamborghini, the Temerario captures everything enthusiasts crave, and then takes it into the future. It's not just a replacement for the Huracán, it's a statement that the brand can evolve without compromise. As the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario rolls into the world, one thing becomes crystal clear. The baby bull has grown up, and it's ready to charge into a new era of performance.